Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 7979, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 7979, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 7979 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 7979 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 7979 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 7979? Angel number 7979 signals a time of spiritual awakening, personal transformation, and inner wisdom. The number 7 represents introspection, enlightenment, and divine knowledge, while the number 9 symbolizes endings, humanitarianism, and soul purpose. Together, 7979 suggests you're being called to step into a higher version of yourself by releasing outdated patterns and focusing on your spiritual growth. It's a message to trust your inner guidance, complete necessary life chapters, and align with your true mission. This number indicates that by letting go of the old, you create space for meaningful, soul-aligned experiences to enter your life. What's the symbolism of angel number 7979? Angel number 7979 symbolizes the merging of inner wisdom and divine purpose. The repeating sequence of 7 and 9 highlights a spiritual journey marked by completion, healing, and higher calling. Number 7 stands for intuition, sacred knowledge, and introspection, while 9 represents closure, compassion, and universal service. Symbolically, this number acts as a spiritual gateway, encouraging you to leave behind unfulfilling paths and embrace a purpose-driven life. It's also tied to lightworking and healing, urging you to share your gifts with others. Seeing 7979 means you're on the brink of significant personal growth, supported by spiritual forces. What is the angel number 7979 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 7979 signifies a powerful phase of soul elevation and divine alignment. The presence of 2 sevens emphasizes deep inner knowing and spiritual insight, while the double 9s point to humanitarianism, karma, and closure of spiritual cycles. This number invites you to embrace your soul mission, likely involving helping others. It reminds you to listen closely to your intuition and release anything that no longer supports your spiritual evolution. 7979 affirms that you're divinely protected as you pursue higher consciousness, and it signals a readiness to live in alignment with your soul's greater purpose. What does the angel number 7979 mean for love? In love, angel number 7979 encourages emotional maturity, spiritual connection, and the need to let go of outdated dynamics. It suggests that true love begins with self-awareness and authenticity. If you're in a relationship, this number asks whether your connection serves your higher self. If not, it may be time for healing or closure. For singles, 7979 advises focusing on personal growth first. Love will come when you're spiritually ready. It points toward a love rooted in shared values, depth, and purpose rather than surface-level attraction. Ultimately, this number promotes meaningful, soul-centered romantic connections over fleeting attachments. What does angel number 7979 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 7979 signifies spiritual breakthroughs, endings of karmic patterns, and a call to higher alignment. It often appears during times of transformation or separation, indicating that each twin must focus on inner healing and spiritual evolution before union or reunion is possible. The number 7 points to soul-searching and divine guidance, while 9 signifies spiritual endings and rebirth. This angel number encourages both twins to elevate their vibration and release ego-based behaviors. If you're seeing 7979, It may be a sign that a spiritual shift is necessary to support the sacred purpose of your twin flame connection. What does angel number 7979 for manifestation? Angel number 7979 supports manifestation through inner clarity, spiritual alignment, and intentional release. The power of 7 sharpens your intuitive vision, while 9 pushes you to let go of what no longer serves you to make room for your desires. 7979 reminds you that successful manifestation begins with a clear soul purpose and high vibrational energy. It's time to release fear, outdated beliefs, and limiting relationships that hinder your progress. Focus your energy on what truly aligns with your spiritual. How does angel number 7979 affect finances? Financially, 7979 encourages a more conscious and purposeful relationship with money. It suggests that wealth should be aligned with spiritual values and used in service of a greater mission. The energy of 9 calls for philanthropy or giving back, while 7 asks for financial decisions guided by intuition. This number may signal the end of a financial chapter and the beginning of a more meaningful or mission-driven phase. If you're experiencing financial difficulty, 7979 urges you to re-evaluate your mindset and let go of scarcity belief. It's also a sign that sustainable abundance comes from aligning with your soul's truth. What does angel number 7979 mean for former relationships? 7979 brings healing, forgiveness, and closure regarding past relationship. It encourages you to reflect on former connections not with regret but with gratitude for the lessons they provided. The double 9s represent endings and emotional release, while the 7s highlight spiritual insight gained through those experiences. This number often appears when you're ready to move on from emotional wounds or karmic cycles tied to previous partners. Whether it's about forgiving someone or forgiving yourself, 7979 guides you toward inner peace. Letting go of the past clears your energy field and makes space for more aligned, heart-centered relationship. How does angel number 7979 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 7979 signals a turning point where spiritual alignment and service take precedence over status or financial gain alone. It may indicate that your current career no longer resonates with your soul's purpose, and it's time to pivot toward something more meaningful. The influence of 7 supports introspection and intuition-driven choices, while 9 encourages service, completion, or transitioning into a teaching or healing role. If you're already in a purpose-driven field, this number affirms you're on the right path. If not, it's time to explore opportunities that better reflect your values and calling. What are the strengths of angel number 7979? The strengths of angel number 7979 include spiritual insight, compassion, wisdom, and a deep sense of purpose. Those connected to this number are often introspective, intuitive, and guided by strong moral values. They are capable of deep transformation and possess the strength to let go of what no longer serves them. Their ability to see beyond the material world allows them to lead others toward healing, growth, and enlightenment. This number is associated with teachers, lightworkers, and spiritual guides. The primary strength lies in balancing wisdom with action and using life experiences as a tool for growth and service. What are the weaknesses of angel number 7979? The weaknesses of angel number 7979 may include emotional withdrawal, overthinking, or becoming stuck in past experiences. The introspective energy of 7 can sometimes lead to isolation or avoidance of practical realities, while the strong ending energy of May 9th cause individuals to cling to nostalgia or fear moving on. There may also be a tendency toward self-sacrifice, ignoring personal needs in the name of helping others. Without grounding, people influenced by 7979 may struggle to implement their spiritual insights into tangible progress. This number urges balance between spiritual growth and real-world responsibility, as well as emotional release.